strides as they're going along the field. That's going to give them 15 extra points at the end of this match. Soccer kicking Twinkies, trying to grab some more cubes. Moving down to 35 seconds, you may now switch drivers. Tiger Sharks lifting up, getting some greens into that scoring zone. Soccer kicking Twinkies lining up to do the same. Tiger Sharks grabbing some more purples. And soccer kicking Twinkies get tons of green cubes into this goal. As we get down to the last 10 seconds, we see if many teams make an attempt to park. And it looks like soccer kicking Twinkies is going to successfully hit the park. With 3 seconds left, can Tiger Sharks make it? All right, for qualification match number 31, we've got 40301E, Darren